In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a HubSpot form in WordPress. We're going to walk through this process step by step so you can easily take a form you've created in HubSpot and embed it directly onto a page in your WordPress site. By the end, your form will be live and ready for visitors to fill out. First, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation and find the marketing section. Hover your mouse over the marketing icon or label, and from the options that appear, click on Forms. This will open up a list of all the forms you've already created in HubSpot. From this list, locate the specific form you want to embed in WordPress. When you hover your cursor over that form, a few action buttons will appear. Look for the one labeled Actions and click on it. A drop-down menu will open. From that menu, choose Share. This will open a pop-up window with different ways to share your form. In that pop-up, you'll see an embed code, usually a block of HTML. Highlight that entire embed code and copy it. This is the code we'll paste into WordPress to display your form. Now switch over to your WordPress site and open the page where you want the form to appear. Make sure you're in the page editor. Inside the editor, look for the plus icon that lets you add a new block or widget. Click that plus icon, then search for the custom HTML block. Once you find custom HTML, add it to your page where you'd like the form to show up. After adding the custom HTML block, click to edit the HTML content. In some setups, this may open a small pop-up or a dedicated editing area. Make sure you're on the HTML tab, not a visual or preview tab. Now paste the embed code you copied from HubSpot into this HTML area. You should see a preview of your form on the right side or below the code, depending on your editor layout. If everything looks good, click Update or Save to apply the changes to your page. Once the page updates, your HubSpot form is now embedded and live on your WordPress page. And that's it. You've successfully added a HubSpot form to your WordPress site.